So, you want to be a cloud engineer? Alright, let's talk cloud, baby. Cloud computing is huge, bigger than ever, and you know what that means? They need people. People like you. Cloud engineers are in high demand. Why? Because the cloud is the future, that's why. Companies everywhere are moving their stuff to the cloud. It's cheaper, faster, and more efficient. But someone's gotta set it all up, right? Someone's gotta keep it running smoothly. That's where you come in, my friend. What does a cloud engineer do? Think of a cloud engineer as the architect of the internet. They design, build, and manage cloud platforms. We're talking servers, networks, databases, the whole shebang. They make sure your favorite websites load quickly. They keep your data safe and secure. They even make sure your cat videos stream in glorious HD. Your roadmap to the cloud. So, how do you become a cloud engineer? First, you gotta learn the ropes. Get yourself a good education. A degree in computer science or a related field is a great start, but hey, a degree isn't everything. There are tons of online courses and certifications out there. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, pick your poison. These certifications prove you know your stuff. The future of cloud engineering, the cloud is always evolving. That means you gotta evolve too. Stay ahead of the curve by learning new technologies. Things like AI, machine learning, edge computing, that's where the industry is heading. And don't forget about security. Keeping data safe is more important than ever. So brush up on your cybersecurity skills. Trust me, it'll pay off. So there you have it. Your roadmap to becoming a cloud engineer. It's a challenging but rewarding career path. And the best part, the sky's the limit.